I love affiliate marketing because affiliate marketing changed my whole entire life. I've probably earned nearly $500,000 in affiliate commissions since I got started with affiliate marketing. And in 2017, I was working at Olive Garden as a dishwasher. I knew nothing about affiliate marketing, nothing about ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, I didn't know anything, right? I didn't grow up on the computer. I grew up like a blue collar guy. First job at 16 at McDonald's. In my 20s, I was in and out of jail just for doing stupid, dumb stuff. In 2017, I found a course. The course was like $97, I think it was. It showed me, it brought me into the affiliate marketing world, like Warrior Plus, ClickBank, YouTube review videos, and building an email list. And now, fast forward 2026, it changed my whole life, right? I have multiple streams of income online. I have multiple YouTube channels, Facebook account, email list, and I make a good amount of money every single month from affiliate marketing, working like 1 hour a day, because affiliate marketing is based around ads and systems, right? We get the links, right? I create direct response ads online. I build a one-page mini system, so I create the ads, send people to an email list, build the email list, and then do some email marketing on the back end, right? But affiliate marketing literally changed my life. It is a skill set, right? It's not copy and paste. It's not get rich quick overnight. It is marketing. So affiliate marketing is very, very powerful, but you have to understand this is a skill set. Once you are capable of understanding, okay, I want to make money online with affiliate marketing, and then the business model works, but you have to understand all this is a skill set. Marketing online is a skill set. Once you know how to market online, then you can make a lot of money online with affiliate marketing or anything in general because you know how to market and advertise online. My name is Alex, and if you want to learn about affiliate marketing or get started and you don't want to spend $1,000, $500, or even $100, you go to the top of my page, it's going to be a link. The course is $50. Check it out for yourself, and I'll see you guys inside. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing and get inside this world where people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars a day with affiliate marketing, go to the top of the page, click that link, get inside the affiliate marketing system, and let us show you how to make money online without the BS. Peace.